What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another unboxing video and I have been wanting this for the past year now, and I've been waiting for the right time to get it, and I actually wanted to get it before my next big trip, but I saw a really great deal on Amazon and I just had to get it. So this is my Christmas and birthday gift to myself. But before we get into the unboxing video, please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Just click that subscribe button right now so you don't forget it by the end of the video, because I know sometimes that you watch videos and then you're just ready to get on to the next one and you forget to click the subscribe button. So go ahead and do that right now so you don't forget. And also don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay, so in today's video, as you guys already saw from the title, I will be unboxing my Mavic Mini Drone. Like I said, I've been wanting this drone for so long now, and I finally got it. Prime Day really came through for me. This thing was $100 off, and when I saw that, I was like, bought. So here we are. I am unboxing my Mavic Mini Drone. I cannot wait to see. I've actually had it for a few days now, but I wanted to do the unboxing video, so I didn't get a chance to do it until now. I wanted to unbox it right now with you guys so we can all just do this together, because this is so exciting for me. I've been wanting this for so long, like I said. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little montage clips thing of me opening my Mavic Mini Drone for the first time. That's really exciting. I am so happy I got it. I'm so excited for what I got. I actually didn't know. Okay, so these are all the things that I received. Okay, so the drone itself is like 400 bucks, but I bought the bundle where I get like extra batteries, extra chargers and stuff like that, and that's for 500 bucks. But for Prime Day, it actually was $100 off. So I basically just paid for the drone and I got everything else for free. So that was awesome. So this is what all came in the bundle. I know you guys saw it just now, but I wanted to like just go over like what I got. So the first things that I pulled out was these the bumpers for the drone. So these would attach onto the drone, so if it knocks into anything, it doesn't really affect the drone really. So that's really good to have these, because it's going to be really good when I'm training with it and trying to figure out how this thing works, because I've never flown a drone before. Well, I've had like a mini one. My brother bought me a mini drone before, but it wasn't for like outside. So I'm really excited to try and use a drone for outside, because then we can travel with it like everywhere, and that'll be so great. The next things that I got, I said that I received like extra batteries. So this bundle came with 3 extra batteries, and that means, is it 3 extra batteries or 3 batteries total? Where do the batteries even go? Oh. No, it came with 3 batteries. So this bundle comes with 3 batteries. So each battery, or each flight time for this drone is about 30 minutes. So this will be like an hour and a half worth of flight time, which is so awesome. I think the mini drone that I had before was like 5 minutes of flight time, so 30 minutes of flight time is something so new to me and something that I really wanted. And I did look up like different flight times for different drones, and about 30 minutes is like the average of what drones usually go for when filming. So that's why I wanted this, so I can have a longer flight time, so it'd be great for travel. So this is awesome. And then along with the batteries, it comes with this charging pack to charge all 3 batteries at the same time. This is so cool. I did not know that this was coming actually, so I wasn't sure like how exactly the batteries were going to be charging. I thought it was just going to be like one by one. I'm glad that they put it in all 3 at the same time, so this is really good. It comes with like 2 chargers as well. So one charger, it has the plug-in port. So I'm guessing that one charger you can charge the drone directly, and the other one you can also put into the battery pack to charge through there as well. Correction guys, this is also used to charge the controller as well. Then it also came with, ooh, what? It also came with these things. I don't really know exactly what they are, but hold on a second. Hold on a second. Okay. These are different phone chargers. These are different phone ports. So this is one for the iPhone, which I have an iPhone and an iPad, and these are different plugs. So these chargers are actually to link your phone up with the controller, and it comes with 3 different plugs to match any phone type. So then the next thing that I got is extra propellers for the drone. So it comes with 3 extra sets. So it also came, I didn't open these because they're the same things, but it also came with 3 extra propellers, just in case like any of them break or whatever, you have your replacements. And I guess you can always order these separately as well. But this is really cool. So you always know that you are safe to fly or whatever whenever, because you can always repair them and put new ones in. This is really cool, and the propellers are actually really lightweight and they're really flexible. I feel like it would take a lot for these to break. this is really cool. And then that it comes with 3. I'm gonna be very careful with this drone. You still get a lot, and that's really good. I'm really happy about this. So this right here is the controller for the drone. I'm guessing that these are the antennas. And then you can put your phone somewhere. How does this work? Oh, okay, here we go. I was trying to figure it out. Okay, so you put your phone right here. So this pulls out this way. And then you can slide your phone in, and then you can like use it as like a remote controller and stuff like that to direct your drone. Hey! Nico! Nico! Stop it! Thank you. I'm filming. Yeah, so use this to direct your drone. And then the other pieces, I also got like extra parts that I did not know what was for, and now I just realized what they were for. These pieces right here. So you also get like 2 extra pieces right here to replace whatever these are inside here. So I'm not really sure what they are, but I have replacements. That's great. And then it also comes with a screw to replace all these things. This is also for like the propellers too, because the propellers also have screws that come with it right here in the bag. So it comes with these screws along with the propeller one. So that's awesome. I'm so excited to use this. This is really great. All right, so that's that. Then with all these included, it also comes with this really nice carrying bag. It is hard, heavy duty bag. It's not like you can't bend it. It's still pretty flexible, but it's a really good case for traveling, and it's pretty, well, it's not like super small. I'm gonna see if there's like another case, but then again, why would I want to get like another case for it if I also need to carry around the battery pack and everything like that? So this is a really good case. It is actually pretty compact, so you can put it into your suitcase, and it doesn't really seem to take up so much space. I mean, this can squeeze through your clothes or something like that, but this is a really nice case that it comes with. I don't think that if you buy the drone by itself that it had the case, so I was waiting on different deals, and honestly this was the best deal that I could find, because every time that I look on the website or on Amazon or anything like that, it would always have the same price. Like, this drone was not going down anytime soon, and I really wanted it, and I think that is worth it because I also have DJI, the action camera, and I also have the phone gimbal. Yeah, so I have a few DJI products already, so I knew that the drone was gonna be really great. So I'm excited about this. So now, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys my drone. So this is a drone right here. This drone is super compact. It is very light. This is a very light drone, and it makes me a little bit nervous because it's an outside drone, but it's supposed to be really good with the wind and everything like that. So, but the battery packs have a good weight to it, so I feel like it's going to be a little bit heavier when I finally use it. But this thing feels like a toy. Like, it is a toy, but it's not a toy. This thing feels like it's but it's supposed to be very durable, and it's the same size. It's actually smaller than my phone. It is smaller than my phone. Look at this. This is really awesome. This is why I wanted this drone too. And another thing is with the drone regulations in different countries and stuff like that, certain drones you actually have to have a pilot's license now in order to fly them. Off the top of my head, since you have to have a pilot's license for the drones, I think it's drones that weigh 250 and over. I'm not gonna get a pilot's license for a drone, so I wanted to get a small drone. And then I found out that the DJI Mavic Mini, you do not need a pirate's license. You do not need a pilot's license for this drone, because they made it specifically for that. It is exactly, this drone is ultra light. It's 249 grams. So they made this drone for travel and with the same quality as the big drones. Like, I've seen comparison pictures, and actually some of the comparison videos, this one beats the bigger drones. So it's smaller, it's more lightweight, you don't need a pilot's license, and you can travel with it anywhere and go with it anywhere. From what I understand, I still have to read the regulations for it. So this is how you open it. So once you first have it, you see like the propellers are right here, and then that's why I also love this drone. It's very compact. So the first thing you do is take it out from the top. So these ones come out this way, and then you have the ones on the bottom that you got to rotate underneath. So it rotates like that underneath to open it up. And then this is what it looks like. Look how small this is. This is really awesome. And then it has the camera right here. So this is the case here for the camera. And it has a gimbal on the camera as well for rock steady, basically, so your videos are always really smooth. Even though it's like moving with the wind and stuff like that, your videos will always stay smooth. So that's why I really like this drone as well. Like this, I'm so excited about this. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I am about this drone. This is my Christmas, like I said, my Christmas and birthday gift, because my birthday is in January, so it's all in the same time. Oh man, I'm so excited. This is so awesome. Okay, all right, so let's see like what exactly goes into the box. So I'm gonna put this back on to protect the camera. So that's how it goes on, this little protective case for the camera. And then the drone goes in right here, nice and neat in its little spot. Then we have the controller. And that, I'm assuming, goes like right on this top or on this part. It goes on the bottom. Then the batteries. So the batteries I'm gonna put inside the charger. Click, click, click. Then I'm gonna put it right here, nice and neat. So I didn't really have like a separate space for the charger and the cords. So I'm just gonna put them where the battery pack is, because right here it comes with like a little groove. So I'm guessing like something else can fit right in the middle there. So I'm gonna put this right here in the middle, and then I'll put the chargers on the sides. Let's see if that in that. Perfect, so that closes perfectly. Like everything that comes with this fits inside of this little box that it comes with. So whatever you have, you can just put them on top of the battery case. I'm just gonna like just drop everything there. Yeah, it still fits. So I just like put everything right on the top right there. And then I just zip it up and I am good to go. So this is my unboxing of my Mavic, my DJI Mavic Mini. This is so awesome. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited to use it. The only thing that obviously did not fit in the bag were the bumpers. These would have to go in separately, but they're really flexible. These are really flexible. I think they're gonna be very hard to break. So you can actually just put them in with your suitcase. Just try to be as gentle with it as possible, because you know, like they still can break. So just do that. But I'm mostly gonna be using this for when I'm practicing. So hopefully I'm a better flyer when I actually do go somewhere, because I can't wait to use this thing. It's so awesome. I'm so excited to have it. I can't believe that I finally got the drone that I wanted. And this bag also comes with like a nice strap too, so you can carry it like this. So this is really nice. It's a really good bag to have the drone in. I'm really happy about this purchase, and you know, this is a good Christmas and birthday present. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button as well to not miss out on any of my new uploads. And I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!